Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about all the highways that are supposed to open by the end of August. A lot is going on highways and roads in Jamaica, and two major highways are to open at the end of August. Now, this road that we're on is Highway 2000 East-West leg. It currently goes to Maypen, but the Maypen to Mandeville leg of this highway is going to open up at the end of August, which is probably 10 days from now. And that's a major improvement for the highway network in Jamaica, because you can go from Maypen to you can go from Kingston to Mandeville now. It's probably going to be a 40-minute drive. From Maypen to Mandeville is probably going to be a 15-minute drive. Game changer for this side of the island. And bearing in mind that this highway is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay, it's getting there one step closer, I should say. One step closer to getting to Montego Bay. So that one is going to open up the end of August, and by all indications, it should meet that deadline. The physical road, the asphalted road is finished. They're working on connecting both highways by the Maypen roundabout the Riamina Bridge, meaning the existing highway that ended in Maypen needs to be connected to the new section. They're working on the toll plaza at Clarendon, a toll gate, and they are working on the Maypen interchange. But everything should be finished by the end of August, and we're actually going to give you updates on all these projects today. Now, the second major highway to be finished is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. The section from Harborview to Yalos is to finish at the end of August. The highway is delayed big time, so they are hoping to open 2 lanes. Now, the highway is going to look just like the one we're driving on. 4 lanes, Jersey barrier, dual carriageway. But they're hoping to open 2 lanes between Harborview and Yalos. Now, there are many reasons why that highway is delayed, but one of the main reasons is they are building the highway along the existing roadway. So this is the road that people use. So they have to be contending with traffic while they're building the highway. So once they get 2 lanes finished and the traffic is on those 2 lanes, they can easily work on the other side because there'll be no traffic on it. Now, there is another major development for Jamaica in August, and that is Jam Dock 1. That is a dry dock that's on its way to Jamaica. The last update we got, it was around the area of Puerto Rico. It's coming from Germany, and that is to arrive by sometime in August, and that's going to give that's going to allow for ships to be lifted out of the water, and you can repair them or do scheduled maintenance. Big step forward for Jamaica's maritime industry, because a lot of ships travel through Jamaican waters. A lot. You go out into the Kingston Harbor and you could see up to 10-12 ships docked out there on any given day. So while those ships are docked waiting to either load or unload cargo, or waiting for cargo to arrive from another country, they could easily do their dry dock services easily. And Jamaica is geographically located very close to the Panama Canal and all the shipping routes or lanes. So that's another industry that's opening up in Jamaica. And the dock is to arrive in August. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these developments. We'll give you weekly updates on all 3 until the dock arrives or the highways are finished. So guys, let us know what you think about all these developments, And I'm very impressed with the way they're building out the highway infrastructure in Jamaica. Very impressed. I mean, China Harbour Engineering Company is the one doing all the major highways. And they're doing an excellent job. Some of the delays, I don't know if you would say it's their fault, but the Southern Coastal Highway is delayed big time. The highway was to have been built in 3 years, and they start paying back the loan in 5 years. Well, the 5 years have passed, and the highway is not finished. Now, we'll keep you guys updated on all the sections. We did a video of the Yalos to Morant Bay section of the highway, and that's a section that local contractors are working on. And work is being done between Yalos and Morant Bay. That's it. Of all the sections of the Southern Coastal Highway, that's the easiest section to do, because you're just the highway is running. It's 2 lanes and it's going along the existing roadway, so there is no real structure to remove or anything like that. It's just basically paving the road, and that's it. So that section was given to local subcontractors. Now the deadline for the entire highway to finish is 2025 or 2020. Well, it doesn't matter what date they give us. It's not going to meet that deadline because it's delayed big time. The section that's from Harbourview to Yalos that is scheduled to finish in August was to have finished from March, then April. Now August they said 2 lanes, and then 4 lanes should finish by December. I mean, it's understandable. It's the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. But you still have to look at the reasons why it's delayed so that you don't repeat them in the future. But as I said, major developments coming for this month for the highway network in Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think about these highways opening up. You can leave your comments in the section below. Okay, what is this car doing? What? Did they crash? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.